I'm Reverend Sharon Renae, and I want to welcome you to this new program that I am offering, Intuitive Awakening. And this is a wonderful opportunity to develop your own intuitive gifts, your grace gifts, your psychic and mediumship abilities. And this is for the people starting out. But today there's a lot going on in our world. And right now, more than ever, the world needs guidance. It needs love. It needs directions. And this is the perfect opportunity for you to step into your divine alignment, for you to remember who you are, to be able to share and to help heal the world. Now, what am I offering here? It is an 8-week course, videos released every week. They're at least an hour long. You're going to get bonuses as guided meditations. You're going to get workbooks. We're going to have a mentoring discussion Zoom once a week for about an hour to an hour and a half, so that you have the opportunity to ask questions and learn. And there's lots of extra things that you're going to get in this, and it is being offered right now at a very special price, so you want to be able to sign up as soon as possible. But this is going to cover how to protect yourself, how to tap in and to learn to trust yourself. It's even going to discuss the paranormal. So if you like paranormal investigation, you know how to do it correctly, where you're helping yourself and any of the souls involved that you're trying to connect with, and helping to clear and cleanse energy. So we're offering a lot of wonderful things, and I am so excited because remember, I have 60 plus years of experience, and I'm going to give you everything that I've got. This is a level 1, and you'll also be able to continue on in this should you have the desire. So sign up now, and I look forward to mentoring you.